Hi guys, this is Anshul Agarwal and I have started a channel that is computer knowledge tricks and tips. So what we have to do on this channel, we have started a channel for the students, for the beginners, for the advanced who have to learn the skills in computer field. That is, if anyone else will started a learning in the sector of how we can uh, make a skill in computer basic knowledge, that is ms word, ms excel, ms powerpoint, google doc, google sheet, google ppt. And thereafter we have a series of videos we have started on this channel. On this channel what you have to learn all about from the scratch to the beginner, and then we have to uh, going through the advanced courses also. In this channel we have also started a series uh, that is digital marketing, in the field of digital marketing. As you have to know, the digital marketing criteria and the digital marketing field is very broad, so we have started a industry basics and advanced courses on multiple computer courses on this channel. So stay tuned on today, and we have started this Saturday. So be online, everyone. I am waiting for your response on comments.